Bench bird dog with 5-second isometric hold. Place your hands at the edge of a bench, shoulders directly over hands. Keep a flat, neutral back, head facing down. We will start with the right leg and left arm. Kick that right foot back, right in line with the butt. Don't raise no higher. Raise the bicep right by the ear. Body like a straight line. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Be sure to engage and flex your abdominals during this entire exercise. 3, 2, 1. Remember not to raise the foot higher than the butt. Lock out at the knees. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bench bird dog with 5-second isometric hold.